So I got a new order from Abbey England. I wanted to pick up some tools and some glue and things like that. So I'm going to try some new glue, which is the Solibond 949. I'll unwrap this later and transfer it into my new glue pot. I've seen lots of people using these and they're normally absolutely filthy. So this is what it looks like when it's clean and new. So this, you fill the glue pot up in here. That rotates so it sort of doesn't give you too much glue at once. The brush lives in, you can apply your glue, and then that goes over the top to seal it in. So we'll give this a go later. I bought some tools as well. So I've got myself a new Scratch Awl. Put links for this in the description. I do like the way how they've packaged the stuff from Abbey. So this is just going into a bit of corrugated card. Just keep it, it was flat when it came. Keeps it safe for travel, packaging, things like that. The other bits and pieces that I've got, yet again the packaging, the recycling, which is great to see. It's old newspaper. Picked up a couple of bits and pieces. I've got some 10 gauge copper rivets and burrs. I'll show a video on setting these separately, so look out for that one. That's the setter, this particular size that I've got. I've picked up a new clicker knife, which has got a long blade on it. You can just sort of see the outline of the shape here, so that goes the full length, which is slightly different to the one I've got. I'll do a comparison video of those as well. And then picked up some of the, this is the 9 stitch per inch, 2.82mm stitching chisels with pricking irons, technically from Abbey. So sort of first initial response, reaction to these. They're very small and very light. They're sort of noticeably light, especially when using things like the craft tool ones. A little bit shorter, a little bit, they're different as well. Yeah, again, there'll be another video showing the difference for these, but just sort of straight off the off from it, a set of 3. You can get various different spacings, different SPI stitches per inch, and these were about £25 for the set, which is an absolute bargain. And so I'm not too sure what the metal is. It is magnetic, so yeah, I'm not too sure. I may inquire on that. They're not particularly sharp. But pricking irons versus stitching chisels will be a separate video.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more leatherworking tips, tricks and build alongs, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos go live.